I'm 69 and I'm here to tell my story about how the miracle happened.
In the morning, she went to go to the bathroom. I heard a very distinct yell and I ran in the bathroom and found her hunched over the tub. I got her down and I called 911.
The paramedics came and took me to Kaweah Health. A couple of weeks before, if I coughed or if I strained, I was aware of like an unusual headache. And then when Dr. Quattrocchi came in to see me, I asked him, what happened? Should I have said something about my headache? The guilt trip sits in. And so he said, you must have bumped your head, a small bump, months ago. And this has been a slow bleed. The clot was big enough to move my brain over ½ an inch. The diagnosis was a subdural hematoma. My neurosurgeon was Dr. Quattrocchi. The surgery was an emergency craniectomy. So they basically take a piece of your skull. We measured it later, it's like 3 inches by 5 inches. The anesthesiologist said the crash craniectomy meant that basically they didn't know whether I was going to survive the operation in October, and if I did survive it, what I was going to be like. It was urgent, so I was grateful, appreciative of everyone's skill. The Neurosciences Center made sure that my care from beginning to end was just continuous.
I kind of saw her daily progress, and it was remarkable that she was as alert as she was after having such a very serious operation.
I was in ICU probably 6 or 7 days, and then a step-down unit, and then the regular ward, and then off to rehab. Went to rehab on the 29th of October. So altogether 10 days until I got the next operation, which was April the 5th. Dr. Chen put a titanium plate in.
The doctors were very, very good, and when I talked with them a little bit after the surgeries and all, they were very helpful. I just can't say enough about the physicians here at the hospital.
Having been a nurse for 40 years and retired now for 10 years, I was very impressed at the Kaweah Health system that everyone's been so encouraging, invested in getting me better. The whole team, the hospitalists, the nurses, the housekeepers, the aides, the emergency people. ICU was amazing. Rehab was incredible. Speech therapy. Occupational health came out from the hospital to see how I was doing, what things were needed at home. I'm so grateful, so very grateful. You think I don't have a choice, I have to come here, but having arrived here in an emergency, I couldn't have asked for anything better. I really feel they care about me as a person. Everyone bent over backwards to try and put this Humpty Dumpty back together again.